Hello friends, in this video I'm going to work with a TV show. So if you go to TV shows and click here, now I want to go to this TV show, display the details and the seasons this TV show has. So the same thing we have here. And when we click, we display the image, name and the year, and also the seasons. And here we have some latest movies. So this one has the season here. Okay. So I'm going to open the VS Code, and here we have in the web routes, we have a TV show. For the show is the show controller, and we need only the TV show here. Now in the TV show controller we have the show method here, and I'm going to say return inertia render, and it's going to render the front end / TV shows, and not index but the show page. And here we need to add now. So what we need here, we need the TV show and the seasons of this TV show has, and also the latest movies. So first I'm going to say TV show is going to be the TV show we have here. Next is the seasons, and it's going to be TV show we have and the seasons of the TV show. And the last one is the latest, which is going to be, so I'm going to open the movie controller front end and copy this one, paste it here, and also now say latests here. Okay, save, import also the movie here. Okay, now we have TV show, season and latest, and we need to create a show page here in the front end, TV shows, new file, show.view. And here I'm going to copy what we have in the movies show page, select all, copy, and paste it here. And we need to check if we have a TV show first, and display the TV show poster path, also the TV show name, I think we have, not title. And I'm going to open the table plus. Now here for the TV show we have release date, genres, but we don't need the genres here. Also the runtime, also the button to display the, so remove all of that. Open the table plus and inertia movie. Where is the TV shows? So we have name, poster path and created year. Okay, so here we need to say created year, like this. Okay, not movie but TV show. And also remove this overview. Now movie casts, here is going to be the seasons. And now we need to say select this one and say season. So V for season in seasons, add the season ID, and the link is now slash TV shows slash, and we need to add the TV show dot slug here, and then seasons and season slug, the same thing down there. So copy this and paste it here. Here, so we need to say the season name and latest movies. Okay, that's it. Okay. And the tag, we don't have the tag for the TV shows, so remove that. Also the modal we don't need. Remove the imports for the modal. And now here we need the not movie but the TV show, which is an object, the latest, and also the seasons. And remove all the rest. Also remove this for the modal. Hit save. And if I go here and refresh, now click to the flash, and now front-end TV shows, not TV show, front-end TV shows like this. Save, refresh, click here, and we go to the flash. Okay, we display the latest movies and also the latest the seasons, so season 1, season 2, and season 3. Okay friends, hope you enjoy, and also if I open in the dark mode, it's going to be the same thing. So in the next video we need to work with the seasons. Hope you enjoy and see you there. All the best.